Hello everyone, my name is Yahaisel Campillo. I'm a student of the course of English 3 at National Open and at Instance University, and today I am going to answer some questions. So let's go.
What's your name?
My name is Yahaisel Campillo.
How do you spell your family name?
Campello. Yahaisel Campillo.
Where are you from?
I'm from Colombia and I live in Uribe, La Guajira.
Are you working or studying at the moment?
I study the Bachelor of Art in Foreign Language with emphasis on English, and I work doing English classes.
How interested are you in learning about other countries?
Well, it's not my hobby, but I like to learn new things and to learn about new cultures.
How do you enjoy spending your free time?
I like to listen to music, I like to watch movies and series, and I like to dance and I like to cook. I really like to cook, so the most time I spend in is cooking.
What's the best way for you to improve your English?
The best way is speaking with native speakers and learning new vocabulary and trying to improve your English and learn words every day.
If you could learn a new skill, what would it be?
Well, I would like to resolve math problems immediately. I would like to do, or I would like to have that ability to resolve math problem immediately. This is my feedback. So I gotta wait a little. So this is the video. Thank you.